Our post-match press conference, congratulations to the Lady Tamaraws for beating the USC Golden Tigresses in 4 sets. The Lady Tamaraws are now tied with the Golden Tigresses at 5-3. We have Coach Ina Sala, Gersel Petalio, and Vida Bacakis. Coach Ina, congratulations for this victory. It's a good way to start the second round, especially you're coming up from a top loss against LaSalle to in the first round. So, ano masasabi sa pinakitang grit ng mga girls para makabawi kayo at manatili kayo sa magandang pwesto sa top 4?
Mataas yung expectation ko talaga. Kasi binibigyan ko na kasi sila ng higher responsibility coming the second round. And then yung expectations din namin masyado na rin mataas yung at stake, diba? Regarding sa positioning ng mga teams and so also doon sa natin, yun nga yung win-loss. So hopefully magandang start to for the second round and looking forward for more. Yun ang ang ginagol namin yun. So isa-isa, kung problema namin ngayon USC, next game namin UE. So isa-isayin natin hanggang sa makuha namin yung panalo.
Thank you to Jersey. You have 11 attacks, 1 block, 7 extra reception, and 15 digs. So, yun nga, nag-aabot kayo sa 4th set, pero naging clutch ka nung dulo ng set. So, ano masasabi mo sa pinakita niyong effort despite na yun nga, yung USD nagka-threaten na maabot kayo ng 5 sets. So, what do you say?
Siyempre po, proud po ako sa team namin, sa effort po talaga na binigay. Kasi gusto po talaga namin manalo. Yun po yung una po naming ginawa. Ginusto po talaga namin manalo. Kaya talagang team effort po siya.
Thank you to Vida. You have 18 attacks, 2 blocks, 2 service aces, and 5 digs. So, congratulations. What can you say about your team's effort? And it's a big bounce back win after your straight set loss against LaSalle. What can you say?
For me, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with my teammates, how they give the effort. Also,
How about you? You're not happy with your
I'm
effort?
so happy naman.
Oh,
It's
okay.
this. Watch this. Yeah. I'm so happy. And then how the coaches adjust to give us to know how to adjust. Even it's not working, but we still adjust to perform well. Happy na ako.
Even though you're back pain,
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Playing
The floor is open for questions.
Okay.
Years, yun nga galing kayo top sa basic science. Magkano lang yung learnings na binitbit nyo from there, papunta dito sa second round?
Yung ano lang po, resiliency. Kasi talagang talagang deep. Kung sasabihin po natin consistency, talagang medyo mahirap siya anuhin. Pero nandun po yung talagang bawi. May word po tayo na bawi tayo. Kasi may next day naman po eh. May next day, may next game ulit. Pero pinapahalagahan po talaga namin every game. Talagang the grit is there. Parang though may mga ups and downs kami, pero kailangan pa rin namin tumaas. Kailangan pa rin namin talagang maging mas mabuti the next day.
Coach, 8 games into the season, what do you like sa mga pinapakita ng girls so far? Guys, what do you like sa mga pinapakita ng girls so far? You started with the first round shaky, pero this time around, reacting wins in the best time possible.
Yung very recent kasi maraming masyadong drama because of the losses, diba? So, doon makikita yung kung gaano rin kung ano yung pwede naming ibigay pa para sa kanila. But I'm very happy na nagre-respond sila doon sa mga changes, sa mga adjustments. And also, hindi lang kasi more on doon sa games eh. It's more on kung paano ko sila disiplinahin outside ng court. It's more on kung paano kami sa game prep, kailangan ganitong oras, make sure na attentive tayo because ito yung ano natin, ito yung activity natin. Sinisimulan ko in little ways para ma-enjoy din nila kahit na mahirap sa kanila, puyat sila, doon sa studies nila, and also pagod sila. Merong mix and matches ng trainings din. So nag-i-include din kami ng happy thoughts, meron din kaming fun game, not more on nakafocus. Kasi minsan draining kaya yun. Naranasan ko yun na gigising ako umaga, ito na naman gagawin ko. Gigising ako umaga, papagod na naman ako. So I try to make sure na nag-enjoy sila before ng training para madala na yon hanggang sa matapos yung game yung training namin.
Here's for you, first round win, nanalo din kayo against Cebu State. This time around, St. John's panalo kayo. Added motivation ba na parang may nakalaban yung UST or you just keep it like any other game?
Yun po, any other game. Kasi ibang storya po to eh. Ibang game na po siya. So kung magsistick po kami doon sa first round, parang, kasi first game kami ng UST noon. So kung magsistick po kami doon, iba na po yung storya sa second round eh. Tapos may mga adjustment na, may mga good na sa mga games nila last time. So talagang effort po talaga and adjustment sa games. Yun po.
Kasi down 6 to 4 set, ano na lang yung mindset and mentality ng team and you personally para makakamba kayo and to finally win the game in 4 sets.
Yung sinabi ko po kanina, talagang ginusto po naming manalo. Hindi po namin bibitawan yung set na yun. Kasi talagang if bibitawan po namin, may next set na ulit. So mas delikado pa kami nun. So ayun, mas gusto po talaga naming manalo at hindi namin binatawan yung set na yun.
In addition doon sa sinabi mo, no? Ngayon ko nakita kasi na behind kami, ngayon ko nakita yung team na nagmamature, behind kami, 6. Hindi biro yun, nahabulin mo yung 6. But yung maturity nila ngayon sa laro, yung maturity nila, how they want to play the game, yun doon ako yun yung thought ko ngayon na sobrang doon sila nag-improve, na-develop nila yon from the previous games or sa training na i-incorporate namin yon na behind. But yung happy ako na ganon sila, ganon kasi resilient hindi katulad before. Marami pa pala akong pwedeng magawa or marami pa pala silang pwedeng maibigay. So, very exciting for me itong second round na mas makita ko pa sa kanila yung ganitong yung attitude na ganito.
Alam mo na natin na contender yung USC this season. But how sobrang successful ng FEU against USC na sweep na yung elimination matchups against them? Anong nakikita nyo?
Alam mo, good question yun. Kasi ang tagal ko na rin yun gustong sagutin. It's because nag-roller coaster kami between any other teams. I mean, hindi ko rin alam kung paano sila mag-take. Why UST, they playing their game? Why Lasal, bakit ganito yung result? Good question yan. Babalikan kita pag alam ko na yung sagot. Kasi kahit ako hindi ko pa alam. And even them, hindi ko alam kung paano ko sila i-motivate na it's always a tough loss para sa mga teams like NU, Lasal. Hindi ba, big teams yan eh. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano sila mababalik in a position na teka, another day, di ba? Another day, kailangan natin move forward dun sa ano ba yung next. But, yun nga, isa-isa, since technically 3 years, pang third year ko to, pero in and out. So, kahit ako hanggang ngayon season nangangapa din ako, and iba din yung generation ngayon, hindi ko maintindihan. Ang daming nangyayari. So, mas madali kasi maglaro ng dati. Yung ngayon, kailangan mo silang alamin kung ano yung emotions nila, ano yung mental state nila ngayon, and even nagsastruggle ba sila sa academics, mahirap balansihin. So, siguro in a way, pag nakikita natin yung mga players natin na hindi nakakapag-perform at their level, yun to sa A-game, marami factors akong kino-consider. Not just because yun lang yung nakikita ko sa training. It's more on kung paano nila i-handle themselves yung being student, sabihin na natin estudyante. Nagka-cramming sila, ngayon, midterms namin. So yun yung mga factors din na gusto kong solusyonan din. Kaya sabi ko nga, good question, bakit ganun kami high-low, high-low, high-low? Ayoko din naman sabihin na hindi nila nire-respeto yung ibang teams, but they're trying. I know they're trying. But yun nga, medyo sabi ko nga, baka kulang or baka may sobra. So tamang timpla lang. Thank you.
Last week sabi mo, hindi na ba sila dark horse contender na kayo? What does how does that translate between USC? Anong sinasabi nila about this current roster niya?
Paninindigan po namin yung sinabi kong contender. Kasi talagang malaki na po yung in-improve ng team from before. So, paninindigan lang po namin yung lahat ng ginawa namin na effort and the next game na ulit. Move forward na ulit.
Yay! Pwede na kami mag-dinner. Sir.
Last question. Against UE, I know Kito emotional high kung panalo to against UE. Ay, USTN. Yung next game yung UE winless, so syempre they're desperate for a win. So, how you gonna deal with this? Syempre, mahirap ka mapisot against a team where still looking for the first win. Okay, so,
Alam mo, nakaka-inspire UE. Even 11 man lang sila. Tama ba? 11 or 12 man. Nakaka-inspire sila. I want to play with them na gusto ko din nandun ako sa posisyon. It's because iba yung pride. So for us, dito sa level namin, kompleto kami with no excuse na para ano pa yung maging result ng game. There's no excuse na matalo or manalo, but kailangan namin na-execute ko ng game plan. But with UE kasi, big respect with UE, sobra. With how they even losses, no? Winless, correct? Doon sa winless sila. Grabe yung pinakita nila every game. So nakaka-inspire silang kalaban, but yun nga, doon sa game plan namin, it's more continue yung kung ano yung gusto namin marating this second round. Second round muna, so wag muna tayong pumasok ng Final Four. Kaya nga, isa-isa.
okay. Congratulations, Coach Tina Baida.
Thank you! Yay!